In this video, you will embark on a journey to explore one of the most dangerous and high-risk jobs in the world. This job demands absolute concentration and extraordinary agility, where even a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. However, with this danger comes a highly attractive salary, potentially reaching thousands of dollars. Join us as we step into this challenging world and witness these brave individuals at work. Get ready, because this thrilling journey is about to begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos. This job involves transporting rocks and sand from a barge to a storage facility. These specialized barges, designed specifically for moving such heavy loads, can carry thousands of tons and measure between 200 to 300 meters in length. Built with thick steel frames and powered by robust engines, these barges can navigate with ease. To handle the immense weight, each barge is equipped with a central conveyor belt. The belt is covered with wooden panels that need to be removed to allow the rocks to fall onto the conveyor. Now, let's focus on this worker as he skillfully removes the wooden panels, allowing the rocks to tumble onto the conveyor for transfer out of the hold. After he removes the wooden covers from the conveyor belt, the stones begin to fall more plentifully and rapidly. And now we're moving on to a major operation where thousands of cubic meters of rock and sand are being transported out of the barge. The worker handling this task alone seems quite at ease. This is his daily routine. Using a specialized tool, he removes the white wooden covers from the conveyor belt, allowing the massive chunks of rock and sand to fall onto the belt and be carried out of the barge. Suddenly, a large volume of rock and sand collapses right where he's standing. If he hadn't stepped back in time, the consequences could have been dire. Yet he remains unfazed, knowing exactly what to expect. This is just another day at work for him, and he's well practiced in stepping back just as the load collapses. The rocks and sand continue to pour down, resembling an avalanche of snow-capped peaks. To minimize the dust, another worker stands by the railing, spraying water to keep the dust clouds at bay. Right now, you're about to witness just how dangerous this job can be. This time, the task involves transporting sand, which poses an even greater risk than moving rocks. Sand behaves much like grain in a silo. If you get stuck, escaping can be nearly impossible. You'll see exactly what I mean towards the end of this video. Fortunately, our worker is both lucky and experienced in handling sand, so let's watch and see what happens next. If you enjoyed this video and found it fascinating, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our latest content. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.